Just be careful for your tip.
Oh, chain lock.
Chain lock. Make sure you're cutting with the, and if you don't want to hit your tip on anything. Nice notching. Ah! It fell right on him! Good thing it wasn't very big! You notched.
I'm new at this. I notched it the wrong way.
It falls away from the notch.
Whoops.
Whoops. I don't think it
requires
is usually supposed. Well, you're supposed to get the piece of wood out of the notch, but yeah, that size tree probably didn't require one. This is a learning process.
Hey, I put the lock on.
Yeah, so now we could probably stick it over one of these logs and get the bottom.
My key battery's low. Hey everybody. Hey baby.